And I am gonna continue doing this right after the butter slime video. So, as you guys know, I use this big boy over here, but not today. I'm going to be using this small boy over here. I opened my glue bottle. I had someone to help me, but now we're gonna pour our glue. Now guys, I am going to take my spatula and I am just gonna start mixing. As you can see, I've added a lot of activator. Whoa, that's a lot of activator. Okay, let me just spread it around the surface so it gets even with the glue. Guys, look. It's so blue, I love it. Okay, mix. Shh, Coffee, I'm taking a video, can't you see? Oh my gosh. He's basically like that every night. He goes down to look at the front door to look for cats, the stray cats. And when he sees a cat or another animal, he starts barking like crazy like that. Guys, I am done with the slime. It's kind of big and I'm very happy about it. Now I need to clean the bowl. And when I say the bowl, it's intense music. The bowl. Oh guys, and it's almost Christmas, so Merry Christmas to all watching this and to everyone else. And yeah, just Merry Christmas to everyone. Oh, and besides guys, this is the last butter slime of the butter slime series. And the yellow butter slime was the start of the butter slime series. I think I've added a perfect. Guys, look at this bubble! Oh! Let's put our finger in it. That was so cool. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave the slime a bit sticky for the clay. Oh, guys, 3 bubbles in one! Except that I don't know how to. Oh, this is a bubble. See? This is a bubble right here. These 2 are bubbles and I pop them. Okay, enough bubbles. Like, literally, I am so obsessed with bubbles. Putting my Daiso clay in, and it's blue, peoples. Oh, guys, I love the color. It's such a navy blue. The clay inside a slime bubble. Hopefully, my phone can catch that. Here. Okay. Hopefully, I can do this. So, here's my clay in the middle, guys. Come on, you can do this. Oh, that was so close! Okay, let's try on the other side. Okay, let's try here again. Okay. Oh, guys, I put my clay inside a bubble! Oh, that's so cool! Okay, now enough with the bubbles, like literally. Okay, guys, so you cannot see the clay anymore, because the slime has swallowed it whole. Just kidding. So, let's do some ASMR and I'll be quiet and everyone has to be quiet. Tahimik. 3, 2, 1. Look at this. I need to show you some. Okay, there. It's been focused. There. And then another one like butter spread in here. Whoa. It's like a slime and then when you poke in it, it's a different color. I just love that kind of butter slime, you know? So, I'm back with the slime. And look at how cool it is. Okay guys, look at the flipping color. It's so beautiful. But sadly, this is gonna be my last butter slime for you guys. But since this is the very last butter slime I'm gonna do, I decided to step it up a bit. Because I'm gonna be adding 1 more box of the blue Daiso clay. Oh! Okay guys, I'm so excited for this flipping moment. The best moment ever. So I have another blue clay and oh no, I squished it. No, I'm supposed to squish it. And guys, it's already looking so beautiful, so saturated, but not as beautiful as 2 blocks of Daiso clay. It kind of looks like the color, honestly, like the color of the slime, the color of the Daiso clay. It's kind of similar. So I'm gonna make a cute Okay, so moment of truth. Da-na-na, I'm crowning you king slime. Oh no! Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay guys, so basically this is the Daiso clay. Whoa. Okay, time to mix. Guys, this is not the end product. Instead of 2 Daiso clays, I'm gonna add 3 Daiso clays. Okay guys, so I have another Daiso clay here. You can see that right there. Let's open it. Oh no guys, it's empty. And then you're gonna be probably wondering, well Julia, there's a blue blob there, and how could that be empty? But it's butter slime. I tricked you guys. Comment down below if I got you. Today's opposite day, so I think this is actually the biggest, as in the biggest slime I have ever done in my whole life. And it's so huge. Look at it. Okay, I'm gonna try to attempt to make a giant swirl. I'm gonna soften it out a bit. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's my swirl. It looks so much like poop. Their ears. This is the buttery bunny. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!